So we're leaving the subway and we're hitting the Duomo. And it looks crowded. That's pretty fancy. It's pretty fancy. That guy is covered with pigeons. Look at that arch. Hey, Vittorio Emanuele too. Milanese. Doing some major construction over there. We'll have to get a better look. A closer look. Subway over there. Walked across the... oh, there's McDonald's. Straight ahead. By that red bus. Behind the red bus. You want to eat at McDonald's? Really? Hey, they want to eat at McDonald's, but look at that! Look at that! That's all marble. And that's the mall. Or Galleria.
We're gonna walk in there.
The Galleria. Are we gonna eat now?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So we're gonna walk over and eat good old American hamburgers.
Okay, now there's a reason.
Catch a pigeon.
Well, this is Gareth.
Got a pigeon, got a pigeon, got a pigeon in Milan. They're full of disease, you know. We're out in Milan, in front of the Duomo, and there's a statue here. And it's full of pigeons. I don't know what Jeff and Janet are doing. Here they come. And I'm not even sure what building this is, but there's those things. There's all sorts of people trying to get money along here. And we also passed some armed guards, you know, soldiers. Jeff's leading us over here though, I'm not sure what it is. Came from down there, off to the left, walking down this huge pedestrian mall, stores all along. I actually saw an ASICS store, you know, ASICS shoes. Isn't that weird? Jeff says there's a Disney store here somewhere, but I don't know. But we're headed towards that. He says it's a castle, so we're gonna see. Just strolling through Milano. So here's the Giuseppe Garibaldi statue we're coming up to. There's the castle. I think it's called Castle Wolfenstein. You can smell the flowers though. Now everybody ran across. Let's go. Here it comes.
It's on the other side.
What's this called?
The castle.
Wolfenstein.
One day, welcome.
Yeah?
Stella.
Stella? There are a lot of people here looking at it. So, what's it called?
Like this? Castella.
Stella what? Abbott? Jeff says it's
Castello.
Castella Porzico.
Sforzico.
Sforzico.
S-F-O-R.
Oh, SF. Sforzico. I'll look it up. Oops. So we're gonna go into the castle there. See what there is. Got teeth. So we're going in. There's Jeff. He's not doing his pose there. That's more like it.
Where are you from?
There's a local. He's trying to sell us something. I don't know what. Tours probably. Walked in from over there. I'm going through to here. Haven't paid anything yet. Notice the armed guards. Yeah. Oh. Wow, this place is huge. It goes on and on over there. So, restaurant inside the castle. Let's go over here and have a look. See if that guy will move out of our way. So we came in that way, walked all the way through to the other side, came back out, and came out the drawbridge side. Yeah, the drawbridge. Now we're going to run the gauntlet.
Perfect.
So we're in Milano somewhere, and we've come across these hydrangeas. And they just, yeah, every color, Janet says, and she's right, there's even yellow back there. Oh, this is a church. I guess, right? More hydrangeas over there. Way up there, that shady street. Oh, yes. And this, I believe, is the American consulate. He's walked all through Milano, and this is the train station, which is where we started, but we went immediately underground to the metro, and then up at the Duomo. So this is what the train station looks like from the front. And we're going to get on the train and back to, well, eventually Varallosesia. Look at the trees over there. A lot of people out here trying to sell stuff. A lot of people. And then of course there's soldiers over there. But this is the train station, and we're gonna get on the train. Look, it's Barbie riding a bike. Building, you buy a ticket, you go upstairs, and then these are the trains. Or the, you know, where you wait for the trains. There's no trains here, there's a couple over there. And then zoom off to Navarro and the Caro. And that's our day in Milano. Just got off the train in Navarro. There's the post office. Following Jeff. Then we're gonna, whoops. Then we're going to go get the car and drive back to Varallosesia. And then tomorrow, home. Home. Is he offering to help
Of course.
for a fee?
Yes.
Is that legal?
More information.
Okay, so the guy offers to help, but it had an English option. Notice the flag. So he's putting in Navarra. Nord?
Well, gee, and after 4 o'clock. Okay. Oh, yeah. Second class.
Yeah.
4:27.
Yeah, that's 7 minutes.
Can we make it?
Just gonna stop dicking around.
Time exchange less than 20 minutes.
Yeah, but that's fine. We don't make it, we just take the next one. I actually bought 16.50.
Yeah, 553 times. And then you insert the money. It wasn't that easy. We didn't need that guy's help. Oh, Jeff doesn't know how to put money in it.
Where do you put coins?
Coin slot. And here comes the tickets. Down in there. 1 of 3.
You need a hand mop?
2 of 3. 3 of 3. Do we know where?
Upstairs.
Are they not in there?
Yeah, we can take the escalator. Here they come.
Oh.
Is that all 3?